Keep watching to check out my delicious twist on the espresso martini. Hi guys, today I'm going to make a vanilla and hazelnut espresso martini. So it's a twist on the traditional espresso martini, and this one is delicious. So we'll be serving up in a cocktail glass or a coupette. So the first thing that I always do is chill down my glassware. So if you're making these at home, you can either put them in the fridge or the freezer, your glasses. If not, as I do, add a little bit of ice to it at the start. And the first ingredient that I'm going to use today is a really good quality vanilla vodka. I'm using the Arctica. It's made here in Melbourne in Australia. I'm going to do 45 mils. Oh, it really does smell so good. The guys use real vanilla beans in this, so it's not that artificial sort of vanilla flavour. That's what I love about this one. Next up, to add a little bit of nuttiness, I'm going to use 20 mils of Frangelico, or you can use another Hazelnut Liqueur. Next up, Mr. Black, made in Australia also, so I'm going to do 10 mils. This is a Coffe Liqueur. Same thing though, if you don't have Mr. Black, you can use Tia Maria, Kahlua, it's all readily available. And last but not least, 30 mils of espresso. Add some ice. We need to give it a really good shake because I want to really activate the espresso to get a really nice fluffy crema on top of your cocktail. Rightio. Get rid of our ice. I'm going to double strain into my glass. And for my garnish, 3 coffee beans. And there you have the vanilla and hazelnut espresso martini. Now I'm going to give it a try. Oh, it really does smell good. Beautiful. The vanilla's coming through really nicely. The hazelnut isn't overpowering, but you are getting that nuttiness at the back with that kick of coffee and the bitterness of the coffee coming through. Give it a try, guys. You know, it's just one of those twists and a simple twist. Guys, we are heading for some more subscribers. Please subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.